Okay, I don't have a lot of time, so we're gonna do this real quickly. Alright, I don't even have a lot of food, so I'm gonna try to make what I can. And look, even check it out, look. All I got is some this stuff, that. I'm out of rice. That's gonna take too long. I don't even know if those are good. Check out the refrigerator. I got some bacon and some meat, so I'm gonna end up using some of this meat. Oh, and I also got some bell pepper. Alright, let's have the seasoning. I like lemon pepper, so. Now, I've been using this minced onion. Shit's like so much better and so bomb. It's literally got little onions on it. I'm gonna put a little bit of pepper. It really needs it, but no, we're not gonna do it. A little bit of salt. Yeah, it's not really good. We're not gonna drain the oil, so I'm gonna let everything kind of soak in and all that stuff. Okay, all in all, this was a very cheap and fast and easy meal, but still made it look good. Make it with you know, lots of love and lots of care. And you can make anything taste really great. So yeah, you know what? I'm calling you out, Shemar. Man, I'm gonna boost up my food skills, and I hope you like this. All right. To everyone else, keep on trying, keep on cooking. This shit is fun. This shit is cool. You know, make your own style. I don't know. What kind of food do you like? Put it in the comments below or something. Maybe I'll try it. Maybe I'll try to cook that. I eventually do want to go up to my enchiladas and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned, and maybe I'll show you guys how to do that. All right. Alright, food check. Okay, look, check it out. Well, while we're waiting, come on. Oh man, burn out. Damn, burn out. Alright, so check it out. Hamburger meat, bell peppers, and some of that rice packet. You know, it'll get me through lunch throughout the day, so whatever you got at home, just throw it together. Shit, you never know what you might create. You are a chemist as a cook, and come on, that's badass, alright? So, I gotta go ahead and shower, get ready for work, get dressed, because I have to take off, so I gotta get this parking. Man, it's a fucking A just trying to get a parking spot for work. You know, I ain't trying to walk the distance when I gotta be walking 20 miles a day. So this is where this food comes in. So yeah, I'm gonna let this food settle. I'm gonna let that part of that, whatever that stuff is for the rice, it's gonna condense so it's not so milky and all that. I had the lid on the meat and the peppers so they can stay warm. I'm gonna hit the shower, pack everything up, and then I gotta head to work. So see you then. Alright, there it is. Alright, man. Hope you enjoy it. And there it is. Easy thing. It took me about 30 minutes to make, and I still got the shower to clean up. Alright, cool.